Oh my gosh.
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Paulding County in west central Georgia, north central Monroe County in central Georgia, southeastern Henry County in north central Butts County in central Georgia, Jasper County in central Georgia, northeastern Lamar County in west central Georgia, southern Newton County in north central Georgia, until 5:45 p.m.
This is
Eastern
for my
Daylight
county
Time.
now.
At 4:53 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Willard to Locust Grove, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Griffin, McDonough, Jackson, Monticello, Locust Grove, Flavilla, Jenkinsburg, Orchard Hill, East Griffin, Stewart, Blacksville, Ola, Turtle Cove, Werthville, Walker Mill, Blount, Eudora, Luella, North Alcovy, and McElhaney's Crossroads. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4664. Tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.